It's giving grown women. It's giving 24.
My love is very special. If you want it, you can have it. But don't take me for granted. So much, so much, so much. Better recognize when I see you. I really want you. Hit the club for you. Light skin got you new. Even look like long too. I be tripping with this money. Hit the strip. Things I did not say. I'm from Portmore, that's in JA. We can do it on that beach there. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Rock it, set it, rock it, set it, rock it, set it, rock it, set it. Back shot, somehow you got extra. Forget me not when it's sweet. You, what you say? When you look back on you, I mean that doggy style, copy whisper. So hot it in the fire fever. If you can't go fast and a vista, tell Afi, Ava, Rabbit, Lego, Queen, Lower, Bodo, Lover, Bodo, Cover, Tattoo, Color, Wow, Summer. Philippi, when I pump, pull the post. All up, all of mine, all about Philly, Dilly, Bellapes, Philly, Dilly, Bellapes. Somehow you got extra. Forget me not when it's sweet, yo. What you say? Pose by your head, you're not dead. What? Like a sheet spread, you got 12 left legs that mash up in head. I go keep my third world girl instead. She sees it, wicked, so she did it. Rama, parish, river, body, senna, cousin, comma, haddy. When me done, she asked me, say, Daddy. Philippi, wanna pump, pull up, all up, all of mine, all about Philly, Dilly, Bellapes, fall up, Philly, Dilly, Bellapes. Somehow you got extra, forget me not when it's sweet, yo. What you say? Wine see me baby, everything crisp. My good love make you turn and crisp. Fever, why you? Wine see me baby, everything crisp. My good love make you turn and crisp.
That's a lot. That's a lot.
Extra, forget me not when it's sweet. What you say?
Dang, I forgot the goodie powder. Chin up, chest out.
Happy birthday! That look in my mouth. But do you fuck somebody else? She want a big long belly. She want a big long body.
This is after one fucking drink. Like, that rum punch was strong that I had. Then he gave me a free shot. So y'all, I know I've been gone this whole time. Phone went dead. Got a little drunk. Drunk some more shots. Bought KFC. I'm gonna let y'all know the KFC good in Jamaica. It's so good. But yeah, we're really chilling right now. Say hey to my vlog, y'all. Oh shoot, I'm not even showing y'all for real. Okay, say hey. Cheers. Hi. Woo. And we got Sandra in the background. Big up, big up. So yeah, we just chilling. I want to party, but yeah, we're not really like, it's the weekday. I'm gonna holler at y'all later when we actually like doing something for real, for real. Good morning, y'all. I know I really didn't vlog yesterday because we really didn't do anything. We ended up getting off the flight. We got picked up. We went to go to this restaurant slash bar that I showed y'all. I left my camera at the house because we came to the house and then we went to the supermarket. Like, it looks so different out here. Like, their supermarket reminds me of a, well, we have supermarkets back where I live, but it looks different from there too. But yeah, so today we're supposed to be doing water rafting and the massages. So this is my outfit. Let me actually lay it out. I know this is kind of stereotypical, but we got the Jamaica shirt with the shorts, and I'm gonna wear some bathing suit bottoms so I can take my shorts off with my Yeezys. So yeah, I'm about to take a quick shower, get ready. I don't know if y'all want to like see my routine because it's just a basic routine. I do need to buy some more snow mucin, but yeah, I'm gonna get in the shower real quick and I'm gonna come back to y'all when I get dressed. But yeah, like I was saying yesterday, I got really drunk. My phone went dead, everything, and we tried the KFC. I think I told y'all about that already. That food was so good, y'all. So good. But yeah, let me go ahead and get in the shower. I'm gonna come back to y'all after I get dressed. Y'all, so I'm back. Fit check, fit check. We got the shirt from Shein. Well, everything's Shein, honestly, except for my shoes, which is my Yeezy slides. And my Telfar bag. Got the chain. It's giving. Let me put these up. Yeah. I'm ready, y'all. I want to take pictures on the raft. Yeah. So that's the outfit. We're gonna get ready to go to the rafting thing once Shayna book it, and we're gonna call the driver and all that other good stuff. Yeah, I really like this hairstyle, like on me. I thought it was gonna look weird because I don't normally get twists. I normally get braids. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all when we on the way there. And I'm gonna be vlogging the whole time after this. And so I tried this lip combo. It don't look like a lip combo though, because every time I try to find the right color, it just don't. I don't know if my lips are too dark or what, but it don't even look like I got lip liner on. Jamaica, Jamaica. Sandra.
So we lit in this bitch.
Hey.
So wait, get this up.
Who? You okay to be on camera? I do YouTube.
No face, no case.
No face, no case? Okay.
What you doing? You doing full, half, or just your feet?
What's the full?
Huh?
What's the full?
Full
Like
is
everything?
from down here, go straight.
We're gonna do half. Y'all, when I tell y'all, I had so much fun today. I had ended up buying a outfit at the raft. I'm gonna have to show y'all later because it's so cute. It's like a crochet skirt and a crochet top, and it's so freaking cute. But we're about to get ready for dinner since we came on the day of my birthday, and yeah, it was a lot. The flights coming here, so we got lit yesterday, but tonight we're gonna do a dinner. So the driver, he said there's a place over here that's really good, so he's gonna take us there. It goes at 12, we're gonna go at 9. So I'm gonna start getting ready, and I don't know what I'm gonna wear because I got 2 different outfits. So yeah, we about to see which one. I don't know if I should wear a dress or should I wear a bodysuit. Yeah, we might do a dress. Yeah, I'm feeling the dress vibes. All right, y'all, so this is what I will be wearing with some heels, and I don't know what bag yet, because I really don't have a bag to go with this. So I ain't gonna lie, I might bring my Telfar yellow bag just to carry. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing. Cute, right? Yeah.
Cancelated. I know. Ladies insisted I did it greater. Right away. Smear, sir. We got pearl. You know we got girl. Why not? Right around the world. Hey, you know what she said? What she said? She want shatter, she no want Harry Potter. She want wood fire, got wood fire hotter. If I late na the night, she no really matter. Early morning when I eye them full of matter. Water, pussy patter, little get fatter. When she...
Okay, final look. I'm loving it. It's giving grown women. It's giving 24. It's giving, yeah. I look good. I did my makeup good. I'm feeling it. Yeah. Hey y'all, so I am back from the restaurant. I forgot my whole camera at the house. I should have recorded on my phone, but the food was so good. I'm gonna insert like some clips and pictures of my outfits because it was eating. The makeup actually turned out cute. But yeah, I am really tired, y'all. So I might just go to sleep, not gonna lie to you. We're supposed to be playing Uno, but I'm gonna see. But y'all, I'm really freaking tired. I had a liquid marijuana, which is like a drink with like, I wanna say 3 or 4 different rums. Yeah, it might have tasted like juice. And I feel like the liquor out here is just different. Cause you know Jamaica is really known for their rum. And yeah, it's very different from America. But I know y'all can see in my eyes, I'm ready to go to the fucking bed. And then they talk about, are we still drinking? Bitch, I wanna go to sleep. But I'm gonna catch y'all in the morning because we got some more excursions to do. And I still have to edit my other video. It's like a reel. No, I got a whole video to do too. But I'm gonna catch y'all later. Bye, y'all. Good morning. We're about to do some more excursions today. We got a full day today. A full day. Like, I feel like we've been running non-stop. But I'm about to get in the shower, as you can hear, because we're about to go to the Dunn River, where you hike and then there's some water, whatever it is. I know Michael had mentioned it, so I was like, why not? Then we're doing ATV riding. Then my driver, Mr. Young, he said he was gonna take us on a boat ride. So yeah, I have set out my outfits. So this is for Dunn's River, a little bathing suit with some shorts, and then we got this for the ATV riding. It's like a Lululemon dude. And then we have a crop top with some crochet shorts. So yeah. So I'm gonna hop in the shower real quick. We gotta be ready, like leave it out by 10. And y'all, look what time it is. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me set my brightness down. Y'all see that? It's already like, I didn't wake up till 9. Like, I woke up, looked at my clock. I was like, oh, I could sleep a little bit. Yeah, woke back up at 9. So, yeah, we about to go ahead and get ready. I'm gonna wash my face, brush my teeth, take a shower, and put on my first outfit, which is probably the bathing suit. Because we're gonna be doing shit back to back to back. And honestly, I wanna go to the club today. Yeah. Cause they kept telling me, oh, Elite, Pier 1. If y'all ever come to Jamaica, go to Elite or Pier 1. Or was it Elevate? It was Elevate or Elite, one of those. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get in the shower, y'all. And I will see y'all in a minute when I get dressed. Hey y'all, I'm back with the fit check. So this is the first outfit with a little bathing suit. My chest is big, y'all, so yeah, this was not holding it up. But yeah, we got the bathing suit with the shorts and some little sandals. I'm about to go buy some water shoes, but yeah, this is the fit.
the cocky we bust like copper. It like she get in a spirit and she a chatter chatter. Like she come from Baghdad, Osaka. She say gangsta, she no want see the billy. She want a man with a jackawa with jilly jilly. She said the way her man rich him have 3 billy. Back book big like the wheel in a free willy. What? She said the brother ever sicky and him licky licky when him fit kiddy. Come from the titty. Saka what a calamity titty. She said
okay, so y'all, at this point I'm gonna record on my phone because I'm not taking my camera in the water. I'm sorry, but we're at the Dunn. What's that? We're at the Dunn River. We're gonna do it on our phone. Hopefully the quality is not that bad because I have a 15, so I shouldn't be worried about it. But yeah, I'm gonna start recording on my phone, y'all.
I know about words where you feel want fit this story. She want float when the big stabby. She tell me she do a one wake up if it's a dream. The boy used to listen, oh drop it. Now him half mad and him a throw papi. Him smoke nicotine, drink coffee. When him find out how my youth kind of think I feel. She said
no boy can't take me for fool. Let me tell you this. That boy you not really know me. Me no play me a no Nintendo. You fi have girl up and down, but me no fi have no friend. Nothing can go so. Next thing where you want fi lick me for, and you don't have no pick me big so. You want class me as you feel, and me fi shut up my mouth. Nothing can go so. Everything when me do is a problem. Every place when me go is a problem. No mix me with the rest of your gal them. I'm in a idiot, gal me wanting you. Your mind tell you say me afraid of you, but me do anything when me want do. Your mind tell you say you are the boss, but me have news for you. Well if you are the boss, me are the Dunn. You have a woman, me have a man. You have a program, me have a plan. Don't feel say you can't stand me enough, boy. If you are Adam, then me a Eve. You say you must cut me for to leave. You say you're not bad, me not grieve. Don't feel say you can't stand me enough, boy.
73 coming up.
Y'all, so we at this restaurant. Literally, it's so cheap out here. I spent $14 on fish and festival. So y'all, we done came home. I couldn't really talk at the restaurant because everybody was freaking staring at me like. I need lotion. Where's the lotion? It's tomorrow. Oh god. Yeah, I just wanted to show y'all my outfit. We about to go on a boat ride. We didn't get to do ATV riding because we thought that we could just go up there and pay for it because all the other excursions were like that. So yeah, they was all booked up, y'all. We didn't end up doing that. I mean, we could always do ATV riding anywhere, so I'm cool. I just had a great time. It's been great vibes. The food wasn't all that, but I tried to show as much stuff I was doing as possible. I'm gonna see the room tour, the rafting. I recorded the Dunn's River when we climbed, like hiking. But I recorded it on my phone, so it might be a little fuzzy, I don't know. And yeah, I had a good little time. Big 24. What they say in Jamaica, big up yourself. Let me stop. I had fun, y'all. Real life. We've been turning up this whole time. We're gonna buy another bottle tonight and we're gonna drink some more. Oh, I also want to let y'all know that I'm gonna be doing this in part 1 and part 2 because last time they said my cruise video was so freaking long. So yeah, but yeah, I'm really trying to get into being that content creator where I just pick up my phone to record everything, pick up my camera to record everything, and not caring. But I hate when people stare at me. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. Like, y'all never seen a bitch with a camera? Y'all never seen a bitch recording? Like, I'm pretty sure y'all be watching these YouTubers out here in Jamaica. Like, Bobby, that's everywhere. Let me stop, because that's everywhere. United States, everywhere, literally. But I'm gonna stop caring, y'all, and just record every little bitty thing, no matter what it is. But yeah, I just had to give y'all a service announcement because I don't want the video to be that long. To give like a total price of how much we spent out here was no more than probably $1,000 or $900. It hasn't been like a lot of money because the food out here is kind of cheap. The only thing that's really expensive they try to get over when us Americans, because well, with like the gifts and stuff like that, they charge hella fucking money. But yeah, so you can, I don't really recommend if you go to Montego Bay to transfer your money to Jamaican money, but if you want to for like a souvenir and stuff, I would recommend that. But I only transferred like $50. Our driver, he did charge us for the rides, which wasn't bad. It was a good price. And he wanted it in Jamaican dollars, so we went to go exchange it out. So that was about it though. $1,000 is not bad. Like when I say altogether, the trip, I barely spent anything. But yeah, I'm gonna holla at y'all later.
Yeah, man. So inside here we have some living microorganisms. Locally, we know them as phosphorus or bioluminescence. But the scientific name for them, they're called tiny flagellates. Yeah, man. So the darker it gets, the brighter they glow. And how these organisms work, whenever you irritate them or you disturb them, that's when they tend to give off that light. So if you have no disturbance, only when you disturb them. Also inside here, there's a mixture between salt and fresh water. We call it the brackish water. Have you guys ever heard about rafting on vertebrate? Rafting? Alright. Somewhere over there, sooner or later, you might see on the other side of the cross, that's a bridge. That's the entrance of the Waterfall River. That's where fresh water comes in. Down there, as you're coming out, you'll see some green, red, and amber lights blinking. That's the entrance of the Falmouth cruise ship there. And that's where the salt water goes in. On the bottom, it's mud or silt. So where the silt comes from when it rains in the hills, salt from the land.
No boy can't own me. No boy can't clone me out. No boy can't take me for fool. Let me tell you this, it no fear. You have one bag of girl everywhere. Coming like say you are the things for me ear. Big argument yesterday in the square. When me attack coming like you look here. Hope you not big smoke my love affair. You not start yet but the plan in a gear. And when it start bet say you shed a tear. Cause the youth not the far in live around here. Your mind tell you say me afraid of you, but me do anything when me want do. Your mind tell you say you are the boss, but me have news for you. Well if you are the boss, me are the Dunn. You have a woman, me have a man. You have a program, me have a plan. Don't feel say you can't stand me in a boy. If you are Adam, then me a Eve. You say you must cut me for to leave. You say you not ball, me not grieve. Don't feel say you can't stand me in a boy. No boy can't own me. No boy can't clone me out. No boy can't take me for fool. Let me tell you this. That boy you no really know me. Me no play me and no Nintendo. You fi have girl up and down, but me no fi have no friend, none can go so. Next thing where you want fi lick me for, and you don't have no pick me big so. You want class me as you feel, and me fi shut up my mouth, none can go so. Everything where me do is a problem. Every place where me go is a problem. No mix.
Y'all, we finna get lit. Let me fucking stop. Yeah. I was gonna get the white Hennessy, but that shit was like $80. So $90.
It was like that.
I'll check in with y'all after the first drink. After 5 shots. Yo, my eyes about to close, ready to go to fucking sleep. And these bitches still want to turn up now. So, to sleep I go.
Come back. I want to take Nikki.
It's our last day.
That's bittersweet.
Last day. So sad.
Me with the rest of your gal them. I'm in a idiot, gal me wanting you. Your mind tell you say me afraid of you, but me do anything when me want do. Your mind tell you say you are the boss, but me have news for you. Well if you are the boss, me are the Dunn. You have a woman, me have a man. You have a program, me have a plan. Don't feel say you can't stand me enough, boy.
You got the me no big car. Big down much me car. So come roll with a superstar. That's it for now. See you with my give me the Benz phone on. Let me go and drive it down. All that boom bang bang boom now. Benz phone. Let me go and drive it down. All that bang bang boom now. If you wanna rev your body, that means that you're dancing. If you make me you want, but me no want.
Hey y'all, it's that I am back home, y'all. And I did not end off the video, but y'all, so at the end of the trip, I'm gonna just lay it down on you. So Thursday we were supposed to leave. We didn't get to leave because all the flights were continuing to lay over. They not layover, rollover, because I was flying standby. And yeah, there was no seats. They kept overselling the flights and everything. So everybody that bought a ticket had to get rolled over as well. So we had to stay 2 more nights, and we ended up flying with Spirit confirmed. I had to pay an arm and a leg for that ticket. Got back to Fort Lauderdale to Atlanta on Sunday, and now I'm back home. But it was a great trip. Like, I had so much fun. I experienced a lot out there. The food was phenomenal. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of this vlog, y'all, because I have no more of Jamaica to give. Make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe, because there will be more, y'all. And me being so stressed on that trip, I wasn't able to edit anything. So y'all probably are gonna be getting this video a little late. And it is, I want to say, is it August the 21st or the 20th? I think it's August the 20th today. I'll put it down here if I'm not correct or whatever. But y'all probably gonna get my vacay prep this week, and then next week y'all will actually see the trip. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.
Me a requesting y'all